Oh yeah. Alright, what's up you guys? I don't usually make videos like these, but considering that I just bought these LED light strips, I had to make this video because literally I was so annoyed because there was no connector to connect the one light strip to the other. I'm sure a lot of you, if you bought an LED light strip like this one or this exact one that does not have connectors to connect one light strip to the other, I am certain that you are definitely going crazy because like most people on YouTube are saying like you gotta have this smoldering equipment, and everyone has smoldering equipment and like all this fancy stuff to make wired connections. Anyways, this video is a tutorial on how I was able to get the light strips to connect together using only equipment inside the box that came with it. So this is how I was able to connect the strips. Alright, to begin the tutorial, this G, R, and B on the end of the light strip stands for green, red, and blue. And you're going to want to have these little pokey things to be connected to those, and each one of those represents the color. So if each one is connected, the lights will work properly. Alright, now that you know how it works, I'm just showing you this really quickly. This is the finished product, and as you can see, as the LED light curves, you're going to want to give yourself some slack when doing this. Alright, let's get it. Alright, first thing you need to do is grab these things out the box. They're like these little sticky support things to hold up the LED light strip. But you're going to want to put it behind it like this because you're not holding it up in this scenario to connect the light strips. You're just doing it for leverage. Then you're going to want to take another one and put it right next to it, you know, about almost a little more than a finger length away. Then you're going to take another one of these little things, but then you're going to instead of using the whole thing, just take the little sticky thing off. And then you're going to want to take that end of the second light strip that you want to connect to this light strip and put those little four things, the metal things, onto the four connectors on the other light strip. And then you're going to use the sticky thing, yeah, whatever that's called, to stick it down, and do that for both sides. Alright, it should look something like this when you're done. And boom, you are done. It should work properly now. As you can see, mine is working wonderfully. Just one more issue to troubleshoot here. If your light is not working on one specific light, it's most likely because there's not enough pressure. As you can see, I'm putting pressure here and the light is going on. So what you need to do is just grab another one of those sticky things, two more, and put them one on each side to put more pressure down on it to make the connection better. And there you go, now your lights are set up. Alright, I know that was really hillbilly, but that's how I did it. I hope it helps you, and you may need to tweak it a little bit here and there. And if you have any other questions or problems with setting up your lights or connecting them, be sure to drop it in the comment section so I can hopefully help you out. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you want to, you can subscribe.